Okay, newest addition to the inventory here is a 2012 Chevy Cruze LS model, stock number 8619, 1.8 automatic. Thing was railroaded in the back. It's got a few clean parts. You got the aftermarket bumper cover, you got the grills, you got the headlights, you got the hood with a little damage in it. A little bend in the front. Okay, a little tip damage. You got a right side aftermarket fender. You got two right side doors, power window, power locks. A couple of things in the doors. You got a right side mirror, power, black textured. You got left and right front suspension, strut, spindle, rotor, lower, caliper. Axles are good. Transmission's being used. This has got a 1.8 automatic in it. Okay, you got a rear I-beam, disc brake, ABS. Right, you get the rear glass. As you can see, this thing was hit really hard in the back. Nothing back there. Okay, you got a rear glass. Okay, both left side doors are damaged. You got outside handles in black. You got the left front door glass, and you got the left rear door glass and event glass. Left side mirror is no good. Left side fender is no good. Seats are no good. You got left and right seat tracks. Manual. Here's your windows. Okay, this is a 4-way automatic down. Automatic headlight switch. Windshield is good. Wiping motor, wiping trans. All good. Right. As you can hear, the radio's playing, so you know that. 144,989. Tack trip gauge is automatic. Steering column. Tilt, tele, cruise. It's got the info. Got the phone. Okay, here's your radio. Lower half. Manual heated controls. Excuse me, there's your shifter. Visors are no good. The lights are broke and the mirror covers are broke. Inside rear view, it's got the OnStar, but it's got all fading all around the mirror. You got a dashboard, black and silver, or gray, whatever you want to call it. Silver trim, little gray in it. Okay. You got left side airbag, right side airbag. You got knee bags. You got roof bags. You got seat bags. All the bags are good. Seat belts are no good. They're locked up. I don't know why. Obviously, this thing, when it got hit in the front, it may have blown a bag. And they never fixed the seat belts. But that's it. It's got a good running 1.8 motor. Okay, we'll show you that in a moment. But because the window going up, so you know that. All right, so that's it on this. I'll show you the 1.8 motor in this thing. It's in good shape, runs good. Okay. There you go, 1.8 ecotech. Okay, master booster radiator bottle. There's your computer right there. There's your under the hood fuse box. Radiator support looks good. Air cleaning assembly, airflow meter, ABS unit. This has got the electronic rack. You see the power pump down there. Okay, got the starter, alternator, AC compressor, all good shape. Fan, radiator, condenser, all good. And that's pretty much it on this thing. So again, we got a 2012 Chevy Cruze LS model, stock number 8619, 1.8 automatic. Hit the back really hard. You get some parts all around, a couple of doors on the right side mirror, hood with the hinges. That's it. So if you need parts of this, you can give us a call at 888-748-5924. Extra Mole area Curly. We'll be glad to help you with parts to this or anything else you may need. Business hours here is Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 8 to 1. We are closed on Sundays. Can't get us during business hours. You can get us online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 at allamericanautorecords.com. Please, when you go there to the website, give us a good Google review. We'd appreciate it. Okay, take care. On to the next one. Ciao.